first question. Name of the first Indian who won billiards trophy. Wilson Jones. Name of the first Indian author to get the Anderson Award. Ruskin Bond. Name of the first Indian missile. Prithvi. The All India Muslim League during the British India was formed in the year 1906. Dash, a Muslim saint, lived at a place where Fatehpur Sikri was built. Sheikh Salim Christie. The Dash architecture mainly consists Chaitanyas, Viharas, Stupas and Stambas. Buddhist. Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj at Lahore 1929. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati. In which year did the Kakori conspiracy case took place? 1925. The first Buddhist council was held at Rajagriha. Who defeated the Marathas in the Third Battle of Panipat? Afghans. Which Mughal emperor expanded his empire till South India? Aurangzeb. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Dash founded the first city of Delhi and named it Indraprastha. Pandavas. Which round table conference was attended by the Indian National Congress? Second round table conference. The Dash were the successors of Timur, the rule of Iran, Iraq and modern day Turkey. Mughals. Dash founded Din Ilahi. Akbar. The Vijayanagar ruler Krishnadev Raya's work Amukta Malyada was written in which language? Telugu. Who is also known as Light of Asia? Gautam Buddha. Who is the first president of the Indian National Congress? Mohamed Chandra Banerjee. Who was the pioneer of Chikmaw movement of 1973? Sundarlal Bahuguna. My ultimate aim is to wipe every tear from every eye is said by which freedom fighter? Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year partition of Bengal took place by Lord Curzon? 1905. In which year did the Indian annexation of Goa occur? 1961. Name of the first university in India? Nalanda University. The Brihadeshwara temple was designed by the famous architect Samavarma. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. Bahadur Shah, the last Mughal emperor, was exiled to Dash for fear of another rebellion. Burma. Name that Sufi saint who was associated with Akbar. Sheikh Salim Christie. When did non-corporation movement occur? September 1920. Salt March was also known as Dandi March. Was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mughal emperor imprisoned his father and executed his brother? Aurangzeb. The Peacock Throne, a famous golden throne, was built for which ruler? Shah Jahan. Where did Aurangzeb die? Ahmad Nazar. Who built the first Islamic tomb in India? Sultan Ghari. The Battle of Samugra took place in which year? 1658. Under which Indian emperor's region was the Jama Masjid in Delhi built? Shah Jahan. In which year the Maratha Empire ended? 1818. Battle of Impal took place in which year? 1944. Burma was separated from British India in which year? 1937. Opium wars are fought between which two countries? British and China. The Waghela dynasty ruled which parts of India? Gujarat. To which dynasty the first woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate Razia Sultan belonged? Slave dynasty. Which ruler of Vijayanagar allowed the Portuguese to build a church in his empire? Venkat II. Which Indian ruler fought the Kalinga War? Ashoka. Name the republic which was a confederacy of tribes in the 6th century BC. Vaji. Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj at Lahore, 1929. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Bahadur Shah II. The system of payment of salary to the troops was decreed by Balban. Last question of the day. Where is the tomb of Sher Shah located? Sasaram. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.